Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Many people messaged in Instagram saying they have same model bike but smoke feature is not working or functioning. In this video let me show how can be fixed. Initially I have tried to fill water. Powered on, and when I accelerate smoke is not coming out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content. So now let's see how to fix it. Just shake the exhaust tip cap very gently and slowly to remove it. Don't pull out hard, cable soldered to the diffuser chrome plate will be disconnected. Now you take this filter out and manually make them wet completely like I do here. Now you put them back and make sure the filter is in contact with this chrome plate. Just keep half piece of this filter outside and fit this cap tip back again to exhaust and then push the filter inside slowly. Make sure this chrome plate is touching this filter perfectly when you put them back. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content. Now let's see how it works.
Yay!
Please drop your comments below if this works. Thanks and happy collecting. See you in next video.